My name is Parth Gupta and I am pursuing my bachelor's degree from CHANDIGARH University, and I came to Acentric Biotech Research Laboratory for my training in gene genomics and cosmetology and aroma science. And I totally learned a lot in such a comfortable environment, and I'm happy to do a training here and suggest my friends to came. And my guide is Prinka ma'am, and she was very patient and taught us very good. And thank you.
Hi, my name is Samriddhi. I'm currently pursuing BSc Biotechnology. In my winter break, I joined Acentric Biotech and Research Laboratory for gathering some hands-on training, and that helped me in my university curriculum too. The teachers were so cooperative and they taught me so well, and I had got the opportunity to perform every experiment individually. I would suggest it to anyone who's doing BSc Biotechnology or any sciences field to do such training.